Anuj, I could not come outside the prison today. I wanted to come outside the police station and the jail, but because of my live program on the Hindi channel Republic Bharat, मैं आ नहीं पाया, नहीं तो I would have come and given you a big hug. So let me give you a virtual hug, my friend. Virus-free virtual hug. Very proud of you, Anuj. बहुत proud हूँ आपसे. Extremely proud. And you have no idea, Anuj, that in the last 140 hours, how many people across the country have been praying for you. And in fact, in the last 2 days, particularly, Anuj, you know, the calls started coming. I'm getting calls, I'm getting messages. And I wanted to tell them so much, but I want to tell you one thing. Some of your colleagues are with us live right now, Anuj. Also to welcome you. So, some of our reporting team members, some of your friends, all of us can give a big hi and a virtual hug to our dear Anuj and wave to Anuj, and let's all put out the victory sign for Anuj. Since we all can't speak and shout over each other, can we all put up the victory sign? I don't know if they can hear me. Okay, who will give out a message? Anuj, they're all here. And if you can see the screen that's right here behind me, I see all of them, Nidhi, Ashwin, Yesha, Sucharita, Pradeep Bhandari. Yes, Pradeep has got the signal. We sign, guys. Absolutely. Niranjan, Abhishek. Abhishek out there. Aishwarya has been shouting out for you. Everyone. You know, we just came to welcome you, Anuj. Welcome back to Republic. Okay? And thank you for staying strong.
Thank you, Arnab.
Anuj,
thank you,
thank
team.
you to your family.
Thank you, team. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you to your family, Anuj. Thank you to your mom, your wife, who came down to Mumbai. I hope you're strong, Anuj, as strong as you were when they took you into police custody. What would you like to say, Anuj, to all our viewers?
Arnab, first of all, I really want to thank my team, Republic Media Network, who stood with me, who stands with me. And we were just doing our journalism. We were just trying to find out the lead. And we do know, since I landed in Mumbai to cover Sushant Singh Rajput case, there have been several attempts by being it from the police side or being it from the government side, where they try to stop us, where they try to stop us to do our journalism. But we continue with that, and that is something what we are doing right now also. And the last 6 days, if we talk about Arnab, let me tell you, this was like categorically I was told that this is pressure over the police personnel, over the officers who were interrogating me, who were questioning me again and again, why you were there, what were you doing there. So this was categorically told to me that this is government pressure upon them. So this is something which is really making or like taking journalism a step behind.
And Anuj, they wanted you to tell them what story you were working on?
Yeah, exactly, Arnab. They were continuously trying to make pressure on me that what exactly are the lead you are on to, what is exactly you are looking on to. But that's the right of a journalist. That is what I was doing. The investigation journalism.
They wanted to know your sources, what leads.
And that is why I was following a lead.
They were very worried, I'm told, about why your leads finally took you to the Chief Minister's farmhouse.
Well, exactly, Arnab. This was the biggest question in their mind, and rather they were looking the answer for this only, that what exactly is the lead, what take you to the Chief Minister's farmhouse. And I was like saying to them very straight away that I am a journalist. Go through my documents, check everything, talk to my office, talk to my bosses, go through everything and clear it out that I am a journalist, I am working on a lead. I can't disclose you my sources. I can't disclose you my story. But they were categorically, yes, Arnab.
No, the day that you were arrested, you were picked up at 1:30 in the morning. Your mother was told after 10 o'clock, 10:30. And Anuj, we rushed our lawyers because this is about 80 kilometers from the edge of Mumbai. And before our lawyers could reach, we kept telling them that the lawyers are going to reach. It'll take, and finally our Phoenix Legal, our legal firm said in 10 minutes our lawyers will reach. But before our lawyers could reach, without giving you legal representation, they took you into custody. Also, I want to mention that, Anuj, I'm sure you are aware that today, as I was talking to Rhythm, they sent the prosecutors there to oppose your bail plea today. Our lawyer landed and I was shocked, Anuj, that they were opposing your bail plea, which means they wanted you to spend a long time in jail. Which means they were very nervous. I mean, you and Yashpal, they were really nervous about you, why you landed up outside the Chief Minister's house while investigating SSR.
Arnab, I can tell you one thing. When they were questioning me, when they were questioning Yashpal, so they were again and again trying to take out something that what exactly is the reason, what is your story, and they were seen pressurized.
Abad Ponda fought the case for us, fantastic lawyer. Went all the way to the Sessions Court, he fought the case for us, and later we got to know that they were strongly trying to deny bail today. Why would they do that? The whole world was criticizing them. The Human Rights Commission has issued a notice. Why would they risk that, Anand?
Arnab, they are after you. Anuj is just in the way. And when I see you talking rhetorically to Uddhav or Uddhav ji, a chill goes through my spine because it's you are rather than backing down, you're taking it to an insane level. So I hate to say this, but this will have terrible consequences. And I just hope that the judiciary in our country stands up to this kind of
yes.
I don't have any words
yes.
to describe it because I'm running out
yes.
of words. The kind of things they have done.
Oh.
But one important point before I go, I have to make this. Did Arnab, in your reckoning, did Editors Guild or the Press Council even condemn what happened to Anuj even once?
Okay,
No.
so may I respond to that? I don't know about the Editors Guild. I haven't heard anything much about it of late. So, but if you're talking about the Has-Beens Guild of India, the Has-Beens Guild of India, according to my sources, is in the throes of a massive internal battle on its leadership and a succession plan right now. Apparently, 100 emails have gone up and down recently over who's going to overthrow whom. So they have got their own major, internal power politics to fight. So we don't want to burden the Has-Beens Guild of India. And by the way, I also feel, Anand, since you asked me, do these people deserve to represent Anuj or Republic? We don't give two hoots for the Has-Beens Guild of India.
Partisanship.
Yeah, no. I mean, these are guilds with illustrious members.
No,
illustrious journalists of India like Shobha De are the members. Shobha De. Would you think I'd let Shobha De fight for Anuj? Come on, come on. Let's not be very, very cruel to journalism.